As you know, we are currently fighting novel coronavirus in China. We can't go outside, we just stay at home, but we cannot stop working.
Many students cannot go to school because of the virus. It's really dangerous to go out right now.
Our CEO, our president of Acadsoc Annual, bought a large number of masks from overseas or within the countries. He just wants us to have a safe and clean place to work, and that's really impressed me. And I feel very lucky that I can work in Acadsoc.
Thank you, teacher. Have a wonderful Teacher's Day. Very like to say thank you. I love your class. I love you. I'm so happy to be your favorite student.